Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a very simple look and very easy makeup tutorial. So this is the look that we are going to create for this video. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. So before we start, I just would like you guys to know that I already did my base makeup, like my foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, eyebrows, and stuff like that. So let's get started. So this is the final look, you guys. It's very simple and easy to recreate. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any questions or you guys want me to do another video of something. Then don't hesitate to comment down below, and also don't forget that you're loved and not alone. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.